Popeye the Sailor Man. Hey you guys, this is our second day. Second day? Second day. Second day.
We're gonna try it again today. Yesterday was too windy, but today is just right. A little chilly, but we're gonna take it.
I've been running from 9 to 5, been biting my tongue for all this time. Won't let anyone cut me short. I was thinking this was the way to go, and you put up your puppet show. I say cheers to life. No, I'll be no good man's wife. Just leave me alone. I'm running the show. I'm telling you, it's my time to rise up. Live the life I'm proud of.
Abu, say something.
Lift it up, pull it up out of the water.
Yeah, that's a twin screw.
What do they call that?
Look at that. Twin engine, twin screw.
Yeah.
I'm in for some fun tonight. Just leave me alone. I'm running the show. I'm telling you, it's my time to rise up. Live the life I'm proud of.
This could be
Stop right
port
there.
line. I need to switch this line.
I need to see. Yeah, see where the port line is going in front of the Genoa?
Yeah.
So pull it all the way through.
We've got to switch them.
No, don't switch it. Pull that one, pull the port line all the way through.
Around the front.
Yeah, around the Genoa.
Pull it.
Pull in if you can.
Pull all the way. I can't again.
Did you get it all pulled in?
It's right there. It's caught right there. Caught a little bit. The wind will catch it. Maybe. There you go.
Put on the
We got it. We got it. I believe we have flipped out. Okay, now watch yourself, Arthur. Now, go ahead. Let some line out. Quite a bit of line out, Janice. Just let it out, let it out, let it out. Good. Okay, that's good. And stop right there. You lost?
Yeah, that's super weird.
Altitude.
That's why we call it a UFO, Arthur.
Yeah.
Unidentified.
That looks like a
Right, I'm pretending, right?
No, you're actually the pilot.
You're actually piloting.
I'm sorry. Okay, I am pilot.
You're driving the boat.
What should I do?
Tell everybody what to do.
Okay, that's for me.
I'm the captain. Everybody dance for me.
Give that command enough. That's the best command. Just like this?
Yeah, turn it, see where it goes.
I don't want it. It scares me. Okay. Why don't you dance?
I think we have to. She's the captain.
Did you bring the speakers?
Is it down there in any of those bags? I forgot to bring it.
There might be a speaker in the red bag.
Okay, I'm gonna look for a speaker in case we have to dance. The captain said so.
White people don't do that.
Oh yeah, we're doing it. Filipino always dance as long as there's alcohol in the table. dance and singing.
There's this song.
Oh, there's not.
Well, sorry.
Oh, we are in 100 feet. Kidding. 102. Everyone, bring it back. Woo!
You're right now.
Just leave me alone.
Right.
Right?
I'm on it.
Still?
Left.
Left. I am really a pilot.
Yeah, you are.
Captain. More left?
Okay, hit the gas.
Yeah, I'm kidding. That's enough.
I've been running from 9 to 5, been biting my tongue for all this time. Won't let anyone cut me short.
What are we?
I am looking at the wind. We're losing our sheep right there.
Oh, it's got caught on that line.
Look at this vessel that Janice is sailing.
No, that's right. He's right.
Well done.
She's right. Look at the arrow, Dad. She's going right with the arrow. That arrow's better than the phone.
I hope you guys enjoy your ride. Say something. Something. Have a fun ride. Are you? Are you having a fun ride? Okay, I do. Are you having a fun ride? No, boo. Are you having a fun ride? Oh, whatever. We're having a fun ride. Are we, Ran? You look great. You look great. Yeah. Yeah. See you guys next time.
Wanna be mine?